How to build Pomni from the amazing digital circus. Feet are built basically just like this, very simple. A 1x2 and then a 1x1 on top, and obviously the slope, and we just then take that, do that in blue, ta-da, got her 2 feet. The rest of her is pretty simple. This is her like legs, studs here in just these smaller bars, I call them, put into the little 1x1 studs with a hole in them. I've got this piece here, 1x2, stack here, legs. Now, the Pomni head, sorry, not head, the Pomni body is, it's interesting. So, this is the body, but I can't exactly pull it apart and show you how it's done. You can see why. So, the body is made, there's a 1x2 on the bottom. These are obviously 1x1 here, but it's got little stud coming out the side, connection point for this. Just it goes a bit in the 1x1 here. Little stud on the shoulder. This kind of feathery looking piece for the shoulder blades. The buttons are interesting. So on display, they will stay straight, but right now I used the arms to hold them in place, and this see-through piece here is representing the glitch during the episode. But you're gonna have to build the body as I twist it here, and there's obviously, but it's got a hole, and this is obviously just jump around the top. This just stacks directly on top here. The arms here they're bent forward a bit, and that's technically not illegal. Like, it's not breaking the brick, I don't think. So, Pomni's head. This is also kind of hard to show, but here it is. A little bit awkward, but it's here. So the jester's hat is built on these 1x1, but there's a stud here and on this side to connect these pieces, which you just duplicate for both sides. It's pretty simple. You probably see what they are from here. There's a jumper plate here connecting the slope to the top of here, and there's another slope here, jumper. Backs, pretty simple 1x1s and 1x2 there. This plate there's a 1x2 here. Now inside, so this is built on a 1x2 with studs on both sides to create this side of her face. This is just a flat tile 1x1, and this is a flower piece, blue. I've got a 1x2 here with a red stud, and it basically makes her cheeks. It's representation though. I tried to use roller skates for the mouth, but it just didn't work. And then basically this piece just stacks right there. There you go.